students. Once again, welcome back to our St. Thomas online classes. In our last lecture, we have completed Unit 15 sentences. Today, we are going to start Chapter 12 comprehension. We have finished again comprehension 7. How butterflies came to be. Now we go as the comprehension B. On becoming a climber. So बच्चे, here Unit 12 on becoming a climber. Do you know climber means those who climb the mountain. So here mountain gods can climb cliffs easily. Cliffs. Cliffs means a steep rock face. They mention in that picture. There whose rest on narrow ledges and they jump across gaps with surety. They don't need ropes to avoid falls and don't have sweaty palms. Here they talked about mountain gods. They no need to take the rope for climbing. In the same situation, a human climber often struggles upward, secured by a harness and ropes. He works hard to reach the top safely. See here in that picture, they mention a man climbing the mountain with a rope, help of rope. Imagine yourself a part of such an adventure. It is early morning, you slip on your climbing shoes, buckle your harness and prepare for the ascent as you push yourself against the steep hill. So, early morning they talk about, imagine about climbing. As you push yourself against the steep hill, the chill of the cold rock fills your body. At a height of 35 feet above the ground, a feeling of adventure overwhelms you. Scanning the surface to place your foot, you hesitate. You feel a sharp tug on the rope because it's very rough and hard. It's your trainer sending a rope signal telling you to look at the surface carefully again. But it's not easy. In your summer vacation also, many trekking camp going on. And many of these students take part. Mountaineering, do you know? No? You are motionless for a second and then you lunge upward. You are suspended, flying 40 feet above the ground. No part of your body is in contact with the rock. Your hand grabs a sturdy stone exactly where you had hoped it would be. We take support. Scrambling upward, you collapse on the ledge. Your arms are fatigued and your knees are sagging. But you have climbed like a professional because you got training. Above you is the crux of the climb. The rock face has a long vertical crack. You take a deep breath and jam your hand into the narrow crack. Twist it and move upward slowly. We try again and again. Sweat coats your face and drips down your back. You haul yourself up, hook into the anchor, and signal your tanner below that you have reached safely. We get training in this camp how to climb the mountain. This camp is a mountaineering. Okay, बच्चे, from this lesson we know that how to climb and how to face this human being. So I tick mark in this chapter, this question answer, and these all exercises. Find the meanings of the following words taken from passage and find words in the passage that mean the same as the following. So complete in your notebook. Those who writing in grammar notebook, no problem. Those who prepare compo notebook separate, they write down in that. Okay? Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.